कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे राम राम हरे हरे।
जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिव सदी गौर भक्त वृंदा। जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिव सदी गौर भक्त वृंदा। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीन बंधो जगतपते गोपेश गोपी कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदानेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिये। बोलो श्री राधे गोलोकानंद भगवान की जय। Happy Ram Navami to everyone.
Happy Ram Navami.
Happy Ram Navami.
Hopefully everyone celebrated the Ram Jan.
Happy Ram Navami everyone. Hare Krishna.
And all right, so I think we'll do some reading and then we will also celebrate Ram Navami. So going back to Srimad Bhagavatam, we yesterday we completed chapter 1, Adhyay 1 of Canto 3. Yeah, Canto 3 about the status quo. That's what we are reading. Now we completed the first two. We are on third, and we of course have, once we complete the Canto 3, we will have 7 more to go. Yeah, but I think we are making good progress. Last 5 to 6 months, pretty nice. So let's continue with Canto 3. We read the chapter 1, which is about the questions by Vidur Maharaj, Mahatma Vidur, and then Mahatma Vidur talking to Uddhavji, right, at the Yamuna river. And then Uddhavji is asking about Sabka Halchal Puch rahe, including Lord Shri Krishna and everyone else, Arjun, Bhim, Nakul, Sahadev, Yudhishthir, even Maharaj Dhritarashtra, and everyone. He's asking, how is everyone? And then, they know what has happened in Kurukshetra, and what has Lord Shri Krishna done. So the chapter 2 is dedicated to the remembrance of Lord Shri Krishna. So they are remembering Lord Shri Krishna. And let's read this, Tarun.
Shri Shukvacha iti Bhagavatam Pushta Shatra Tatra Vartam Priyashrayam Prativaktum Na Kostesha Otkanthayat Smariteswaraha. Sri Sukdev Goswami said, when the great devotee Uddhava was asked by Vidura to speak on the message of the dearest Lord Krishna, Uddhava was unable to answer immediately due to excessive anxiety at the remembrance of the Lord. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So Sri Shukdev Goswami ji is saying, to whom? Sri Shukdev Goswami is talking to whom?
Narad.
Shukdev Goswami ji, right? Who recited Bhagavad to Maharaj Parikshit, right? This is the Shukdev Goswami ji is reciting to Maharaj Parikshit. Maharaj Parikshit has only 7 days, remember? And he's sitting at the Yamuna Nadi, and he is totally fasting, not eating anything, and he wants to dedicate. He knows he has 7 days, right? So he at least lucky that he knows that he has 7 days. And then Shukdev Goswami ji goes there and he is reciting Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Maharaj. So while reciting, Sri Shukdev Goswami ji is telling Maharaj Parikshit that he is telling about the.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है?
बीच में कट गई थी. अभी
आ रही है? बेटर?
हाँ।
या तो मैं बोल रहा था कि तो सुखदेव गोस्वामी जी परीक्षित महाराज को बता रहे हैं और तो उद्धव जी और विदुर के बीच में जो वार्तालाप है उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं। तो जब विदुर जी ने उद्धव जी को पूछा भगवान श्री कृष्ण के बारे में, तो what happened, right? So Uddhav ji was unable to answer immediately. Why? Due to excessive anxiety at the remembrance of the Lord. तो उनको स्मृति ईश्वर है कि भगवान श्री कृष्ण की याद आ गई, and then he was not able to speak for a while. निशा?
यः पंचहायनो मात्रा प्रातराशाय याचितः तन्ने चन्द्रचयन यस्य सपर्या बाललीलया. He was one who even in his childhood, at the age of 5 years, was so absorbed in the service of Lord Krishna that when he was called by his mother for morning breakfast, he did not wish to have it. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So Uddhav ji, so it's pretty interesting purport actually. Let's just read this much. Sachin?
Human life is meant for reviving one's eternal relation with the Lord, and all religious injunctions are meant for awakening his dormant instinct of the living entity. The sooner this awakening is brought about, the quicker the mission of human life is fulfilled. In a good family of devotees, the child gets the opportunity to serve the Lord in many ways. A soul who is already advanced in devotional service has the opportunity to take birth in such an enlightened family. Hare Krishna.
So many things mentioned in this paragraph, right? First, of course, we have always been reading this again and again and again. What is the human life really meant for? Yeah. Otherwise, we are living like all the other kind of species in this world if we are not trying to re-establish our relationship with the Lord, right? And this is mentioned in all our Vedas, all Purans, and of course the Srimad Bhagavatam Puran, that human life is meant for reviving one's eternal relation with the Lord, the transcendental relationship with the Lord. Yeah, and all the religions and everything we have, it should really cater to that. Now it's saying that the sooner this awakening is brought about, the quicker the mission of human life is fulfilled. So what it's saying is, in a good family of devotees, right? If we do the prayers, if we are reading, if our kids are seeing this, right? Essentially what we are doing is we are giving an opportunity to the child to start early, right? So not when we are like, 60s and 70s and then nothing happens, right? But if the child gets the opportunity to serve the Lord in many ways early, he can start the advancement sooner. Yeah. And a soul who is already advanced in devotional service has the opportunity to take birth in such an enlightened family. And of course, you see, many examples we see, like you see very, very small kids, like, we have examples, 8-year-old reciting Srimad Bhagavatam fully, without looking at it. And there are so many of such examples and all that, where those people who are advanced in devotional service take birth in such families, and they are already advanced when they are birth. For whatever reason, they take rebirth as a human, but they continue their devotional service. Let's continue reading this, Mayur.
Yeah. This is confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita. Suchinam Shrimatam Gehe Yoga Bhrasto Bhijayate. Even the fallen devotee gets the opportunity to take his birth in the family of a well-situated Brahman or in a rich, well-to-do mercantile family. In both these families, there is a good opportunity to revive one's sense of God consciousness automatically, because particularly in these families, the worship of Lord Krishna is regularly performed and the child gets the opportunity to imitate the process of worship called arachana. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I mean, so this is so important. Like if you really see, right, how can we really get this opportunity to do the chanting or to read Srimad Bhagavatam, right? And if you look at everyone else or even us, we are so much engaged in the worldly affairs because so many things happen on a daily basis, right? Of course, everyone has to survive in this world, in this materialistic world. People have to spend 24 hours thinking about all these different things, right? How and when you can get such opportunities, right? So it's very important. We keep doing our devotional services, we keep chanting because that's the difference. Fortunately, we have got this opportunity to read Srimad Bhagavatam, right? We will not imagine that before a year that we'll be reading Srimad Bhagavatam, right? Luckily, we all come together and we are reading and we are gaining so much knowledge and now, which is really great, right? The point is, we get the opportunity, we need to start Archana, and that's what the human life is meant for. And that's what Srimad Bhagavatam is saying. Rina?
स कथं सेवया तस्य कालेन जरसं गतः पृष्ठो वार्तां प्रतिब्रूयाद्भुतः प्रतिर्ब्रूयाद्भर्तु पादावनुस्मरन्. Uddhav thus served the Lord continually from childhood, and in his old age that attitude of service never slackened. As soon as he was asked about the message of the Lord, he at once remembered all about him.
Hare Krishna, right? So Uddhavji, as you remember, like the first second, he could not speak anything. Then he remembered the whole thing about, of course, Lord Shri Krishna, right? And Uddhavji has been serving Lord Shri Krishna since his childhood. Yeah. And so let's see what Uddhavji remembers. And in fact, yeah. So I mean, nice purport, about Uddhavji. Let's continue reading, Ravi. Ravi, can you read? Are you able to hear me now? Ajay?
मुहूर्त भतु श्री कृष्णांगृह सुदयाभृशम तीव्रेण भक्ति योगेन निमग्न साधु निर्वतः. For a moment he remained dead silent and his body did not move. He became absorbed in the nectar of remembering the Lord's lotus feet in devotional ecstasy, and he appeared to be going increasingly deeper into that ecstasy. Hare Krishna.
And who is he here? He appeared to be, who is he?
Uddhav,
Uddhavji, right? So about Uddhavji remained silent, his body did not move, right? Trivena bhakti yogena nimagna sadhu nivrata. So he is remembering Krishna Agni Sudhya Vishnu, right? So he is remembering Lord Sri Krishna. And when he is remembering, he became absorbed in the nectar of remembering the Lord's lotus feet. And he went deeper into that ecstasy. And let's just read this much. Tarun?
Thus, Uddhava remained completely silent for a moment, but then he appeared to be going deeper and deeper into ecstasy. Feelings of ecstasy are displayed by highly advanced devotees of the Lord. There are 8 kinds of transcendental changes in the body: tears, shivering of the body, perspiration, relentlessness, throbbing, choking of the throat, etc. And all were manifested by Uddhava in the presence of Vidura. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Right? So he's describing the transcendental changes, what happens, right? When you're remembering, you're totally in the transcendental vibration. Shlok. Ravi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
पुल्कोद भिन्न सर्वांगो मुंचन मील दृशया शुचः पूर्णर्थो लक्ष्यस्तेन Sneha prasara salaptup lupt. It was observed by the Vidura that the Uddhav had all the transcendental bodily changes due to the chain, due to total scarcity, and he was trying to wipe away tears of separation from his eyes. Thus, Vidura could understand that Uddhav had completely assimilated extensive love for the Lord. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, right? Total ecstasy, right? When you are in total devotional service, when you remember Radha Krishna, and sometimes, the Lord reveals himself. And now here Uddhavji, who has been like, of course, very, very close associate of Lord Sri Krishna, is remembering and he is into, that ecstasy at this point. So actually very nice purport, but we are going to stop here for today. Pause, since it's Sri Ram Navami. We are going to pause and we'll continue tomorrow on here. So let's certain things we are going to see for Ram Navami. First is let's in Ayodhya, one of the temples. Okay, so there was a Ram Navami celebrated there. We are going to see that Aarti. Yeah. And then we'll see the Bhaya Pragat Kripala and then some more. So let's start.
पुण्डरीकं तैसोरसौरभसमारितयोगचेत्तम् हन्तुं त्रितापमनसं मुनिहंससेव्यं सन्मानसालपरपीतपरागपूज्यं पूर्वादलं द्विततनुतरुडार्जनेत्रं हेमाम्बरं वरविभूषणभूषिताङ्गं कन्दर्पकोटिकमनीयकिशोरमूर्तिं पूर्तिं मनोरथभवं भज जानुकीसं मलकोमलाङ्गं सीतासमारोपितवामभागं कालो महासायकचारुचापं नमामि रामं रघुवंशनाथं तस्य पिता त्वमेव।
So this was Aarti in one of the temples. Yeah? Now we'll hear the Bhaya Pragat Kripala in Ramesh Bhai Oja's voice.
भय प्रकट कृपाला दयाला कौशल्या
माँ कौशल्या के समक्ष भगवान सबसे पहले चतुर्भुज रूप में प्रकट हुए। माँ कौशल्या प्रभु की स्तुति कर रही है। हर्षित महता विरामा तन घन श्यामा निज आयुध भुज चारी भूषण बनमाला नयन विशाला शोभा सिंधु भय प्रकट कृपाला दीन दयाला कौशल्या हितकारी कह दुई कर जोरी स्तुति तोरी केहि विधि करो अनंता ज्ञान भय प्रकट कृपाला दीन दयाला कौशल्या हितकारी ब्रह्मांड निकाया निर्मित माया रोम रोम प्रतिवेद कहे गुरु सुभाषी उपहासी सजत वीर भय प्रकट कृपाला सोमति डोली तजहु तात यह रूपा की जैसे सुलीला प्रिय शीला यह सुख परम अनुपा भय कृपाला दीन दयाला कौशल्या सुन बचन सुजाना रोदन ठाना होय बालक सुरभूपाल चरित जिगावन हरि पद पावन तेन तरहि माँ कौशल्या ने भगवान की स्तुति करी। भगवान ने कथा सुनाया और माँ को समझाया कि मैं आपके घर पुत्र बनकर आया हूँ। तो माँ ने कहा कि फिर ये रूप आपने परमेश्वर का बनाया है, आप पुत्र बन करके आओ। ये 4 भुजा वाले हमारे बच्चे नहीं होते, हमारे बच्चे 2 भुजा वाले होते हैं। भगवान 2 भुजा वाले बन गए। बोले हमारे बच्चे वस्त्राभूषण के साथ प्रकट नहीं होते। तो भगवान माया रहित मुकुंदा हो गए और फिर कहा कि हमारे बच्चे जब प्रकट होते हैं तो हंसते नहीं हैं, रोते हैं। तो सुनि बचन सुजाना रोदन ठाना, भगवान बालक के रूप में जब रुदन करने लगे तो विप्रधेन सुर संदहित लीन मन मन अवतार निज इच्छा तनु माया गुण गोपाल सिया रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन
पे भजन है हमारे। भाया कन्हैया बन करके आए, सहसा रूप बनाया, आहा मन को भाया लुभाया।
So good Ram Navami, and then we'll also continue hearing bhajan, Krishna bhajan, and then we'll see you tomorrow. Okay. 1 second.
भक्त हेतु हरि रूप बनाया, ब्रह्मानंद मेरे मन भाया। चरण कमल बलिहारी रे हो, चरण कमल बलिहारी रे हो, चरण कमल बलिहारी हो। दर्शन गिरधारी रे, तेरी सांवरी सूरत पे मैं वारी रे। मुझे दे दर्शन गिरधारी